Okay, so science fair. You want to do the maze?
Yes.
All right. So here's my thoughts. We got to build our maze too, which means we need to get our cardboard tonight for my work. We're gonna build the maze for the robot, and then we take a black marker and we draw a black line down the maze for the line tracer robot to follow, the one that you still have to build. So we have the maze escapist robot and compare him to the line robot, and then we can also use MIP. MIP will wander around until he finds his way out, or you can remote control him out or program him out.
Yeah.
And I don't know what we're comparing. We're comparing how fast they do it and probably whether or not they do it. Now the line tracer one is not, there's different line tracer ones. There's ones that are a maze line tracer one, which this one is not. So this one likely will not find its way out of the maze if we draw a line down every path. We may have to just, we'll have to test it first, probably. We'll get some, once you finish him, we'll get some white paper, put it on the ground or some cardboard or something, and draw a black line with some side lines and see if he turns or if he goes straight or if he tries different directions. So I have no idea how he's programmed. He's got a chip. If we had an EEPROM programmer, we could reprogram him. But nonetheless, the parts that came with him will be good for an Arduino bot. If so, you decide to get into some Arduino stuff, which I highly think you should, because you're programming for video games, programming for Arduino, same stuff. In fact, you can combine the two. You can make your video games control a robot or any other type of function. You can decide you want to automate your room, all the lights and turning on and off things, add Arduino circuits to it, plug into a computer, and use your cell phone to remotely control everything. For long, you'll conquer somebody's planet.